Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Jazan, a hidden jewel in the far southwest of Saudi Arabia, where the Red Sea meets lush green mountains and history whispers through every wave and every stone. Here, nature takes the spotlight. The peaceful mangrove forests, home to countless birds, stand as one of the kingdom's most beautiful and protected ecosystems. A reminder that beauty and balance can live side by side. Step into Jazan's heritage village, a journey back in time where traditional houses, crafts, and colors tell the story of a proud coastal people who've lived between sea and mountain for centuries. And above it all, the iconic Dosareyah Castle, a guardian of history, standing tall over the city and the sea. From here, every sunset paints Jazan in gold, reminding us that the past and the present can be equally breathtaking. From nature to culture, from the sea breeze to the mountain air, Jazan is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to be felt. If this place touched your heart, make sure to like, share, and follow. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications for more hidden stories from across Saudi Arabia. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.